Alrighty guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be super cute, super easy, but I'm going to do a Flexirod video. Now, I haven't done Flexirods in like forever, and the reason for that is whenever I do Flexirod styles, I feel like it just takes longer than like a perm rods or just regular twist styles to dry. So I am going to do a Flexirod style regardless of the drying time, so let's get started. This is Design Essentials. It's their natural twist and set setting lotion. So this has been sitting on my shelf for probably a good month or two now, and I'm like, why haven't I used this? Because I used this before and I did like the results of it. This setting lotion definitely keeps the hair firm. It forms the curl properly, and especially if you're going to sit under dry and let it dry, it like makes it just crisp. So I'm gonna use that for my Flexirods, and that's it really. So let's get going. Alright, so I lied. I also added in the, of course, my Jamaican black castor oil to the gang, so I'm going to use that for the front and then use the Design Essentials setting lotion in the back. Alright, so now I'm just going to get my castor oil just to add some moisture back. You don't need a whole lot, but you do need some. So now that I've done that, I am just going to brush my hair just to make sure everything is fully smooth. And then I am going to start flat twisting the front. Alright, so once I have twisted the front, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the Flexirods to the back. So this is what the twist on the side looks like. This is what this side looks like. So I'm going to start applying the Flexirods to the back. And I'm just going to do it in section by section. You can do as much as you want and apply as much product as you need. Guys, so I finished putting in my Flexirod. So now what I'm going to do is sit under my dryer for about 30 to 40 minutes, and well, until it's dry, and then I'll be back to unravel. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so my hair has dried, and as you can see, the curls are super defined, and that's the reason why I love using that setting lotion, because it still leaves my hair feeling soft, but it does have a strong hold on it, and it makes it shiny as well. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to pull them apart so it gets a little bit more fuller, and then I'm going to use my Afro pick to create some volume. guys, well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This style is super cute and hopefully it lasts me for a while because I do like how the results came out with the flexi rods. But definitely if you try this style, definitely let me know what you think of it, how the product works with your hair and this method. And other than that, I will see you guys again soon. Bye guys.